It's a nice design. I used it recently on one of my projects where I was designing this one. So I just think like I can show you how we can do it. So this one is just like a simple login page and a sign in page or a sign in form that you can use for authentication. It's just like simple colors, no fancy icons or fancy designs or what. So here is just like, here there's time, then this network signal, this button to close the page if you want to close, then just simple login information, then this simple sign up information, then this one is showing for authentication for OTP. So for icons, I just use simple icons, which is like it's a plugin that you install when you install Adobe XD, which is icon for design. If you don't know how to install plugins in Adobe XD, maybe you can let me know, then I'll show you how you can do it. So let's jump into our project. Let me do it this way. So let me give it a few of this color. So if I put a few of this color, then I'll draw something in here of the same size of this one, but just a little bit smaller than this one. Then I'll give it a border of 24, which can do it. Then no border, then I'll just put it, I'll give it this fill, right? Then I'll move it just down a little bit. So let me move it down a little bit. So I just want to center it. Okay, what happened here? So I'll center it here so that we can see it nice. Then I'll lock it so that we cannot mistakenly move it. So the shortcut for locking is Control L. You can lock it, or you can just press right click and lock it. Okay, since I locked it already, then you can see here it's locked. So you can lock it so that when you grab it, you won't move it anyway. It's not going to move anymore. Then I will drop this one. Let it be just something like this. So let's give it the same border. The other one is 24, right? So we give it the border of 24. Then for this one, let's give it a lighter color. Let's give it this color. So these colors, I think I already put them on this color, but I already added them here. So this color, save the color swatch. Wow, that's what it is. So I just just a little bit like this. So this one, let's give this one a white background. Yeah, I think a white background. Then remove the border. After we remove the border, so here on top here, oh, this one, let's give it, let me unlock it again. Let me give this one this color. Okay, so on top here I want to put time here. We need text, then we just press the T here. And what's the time now? 16:24. So 16:24 is our time. Then I just push it down a little bit. Yeah, here we go. Then next, what we need is to put the network icon. So if you just come here at our plugin, then just search for network. It won't let me finish. Then here we go. We can see here's our network. So I'll just grab it and put it here. Then I'll just lock here so that it won't. So this one between 22.5. Then I'll just put here. Let my network be here. Right, it's well aligned at the bottom with this one. Let me put it here. Then what's next? I need Wi-Fi. So what's next? I need Wi-Fi. Okay, here we go. Here's our Wi-Fi. What's next? We need our battery to show some power. Okay, battery full. Wow, here we go. It's full already. Oh, it's looking nice already, as you can see. Then what's next? I need just that close button, you know. So let me just search for close here. Then select this close. Then I want to then grab it and put it somewhere down here. I just want to put it in between these two. Then it's aligned with the time. then just a simple text to skip. Maybe you are not already signed up, so you can skip. So just give it a small text, skip here. Then after you have done that, then we just need some simple information, you know. So if you want to log in, so provide your information. So just provide information, provide your information, right? Then provide your information. So I want this text to be a little bit bigger, so let me make it 24. I think it's gonna do it. 24 is gonna be fine. So then let's align it to the center. Now as you can see, that line can tell us that our text is aligned as well. Let me just lift this one up a little bit, right, so that most of our things are not going to be persisted down here. So sign up information. So just let's put just a small simple text here, like welcome back. So like welcome back, you have been missed. You know, someone to think that you care for them, you know, if you tell them, yo, miss you, you know. Then okay, this one I don't want it to be semi-bold, I just want it to be regular. Then the font size, I just want it to be 16. I think it's gonna be fine. So if it's 16, then I'll just grab it to the center. As you can see, yeah, I think it looks fine here. Wow, it looks fine here. Then we just need phone number. So here we need phone number, and then let's draw this one, this sign up phone for your phone number. Let me just align it with this. Just let it just be a little bit bigger in line with that skip, right, and a little bit smaller here. Then we'll give it a few of, let's give it this color. Then remove our border. Then our border radius, let's make it 10. I think will be fine. Let's make it smaller again. Yeah, here we go. I think this one will do it. Then let's put some text here, your phone number. So I'm from South Africa, I'll just put plus. So I'll put +27. So my number is 144 XXX 9903. So that's my phone number. So let's align this one to the center as well. As you can see, it's aligned to the center. Then let's push it to the right a little bit. Here we go, we are fine. So let's change this font to be 14. I think to be a little bit smaller, right? It's fine. So we can lock this one now as well. Then we grab this tool, then control, then we press alternative. Then you can just take them all together. Just push it a little bit down. Then change this one to password. Right? Then we change this one to password. Then change this text. Then just a simple sign in button. So we just put a simple sign in button here. So I think this one will do it. This is just our simple sign in button. So let's align it to the center, right? Then let's give it a few of this color border. Let's remove the border. Then let's remove the border. Then this one, let's give it a 20. Wow, it's too much. Let's reduce it here whilst we are seeing. Okay, this way it's a little bit fine, not with sharp edges. Then let's put text in this button, which is sign in, So let's make this text a little bit smaller, like this. Let's make it 24. Then let's change the color for our text to be white, then the border as well to be white, so it's a little bit bolder than Then let's grab this text then to the center. Right, here we go. We grab this text, it's now at the center. As you can see, I was simple login. I just finished. So I think we need just to update that the password, this phone number is correct. So I just need something like it's a check mark, right? Now I can grab it, then just reduce, link them, let's just reduce their size, then put a few of this color. I think just grab these guys, just a little bit down here. So I'll just grab these guys a little bit here. So as you can see, it's just looking nice, looking so simple and smart. Then I'll grab everything here. So I'll just do simple way. So I'm going to do now the next page, which is our sign up page. So I'll just grab this one, then I'll edit some information so that we can save some time. Then after we have done that, what have I done? So we press alternative, then we leave it. Then here we go, we've got another copy of this one. So this one we're not going to change it, we're not going to change a lot of information. So yeah, I'm just going to change this text to let's get sign up. Let's get sign up. Okay, here we go. Then we change this text. I was supposed to align this text to the center. Let's create a new account to continue. So create a new account to continue. So create a new account to continue. Here we go. Then we just grab this one and align it to the center. So this one I have to lift just a little bit up now, so that much of what we want is going to fit here. So now this is phone number, this is password. So what I would do, I'll copy this one and put it on top here. So this one, the top one, so that will be the name. Then this one will be phone number. So the name, you just do anything. Wow. So for name, you can just put your name. So for me, RZ, it's this is like the placeholder. Then it will be like this. So I'll grab these two. Okay, so this button, I'll grab it, just push it a little bit down here. So this one is no longer sign in, so that will be sign up. So this button is now sign up, and I'll grab these two. What's going on here? Just Control Z. So I'll grab my password and phone number, these forms, then I just move them just a little bit down. I'll grab these two just a little bit, then I'll move them down. What's going on here? So now I'll grab my password and phone number, then I'll move them down just a little bit. I want them to be aligned to the center. So if it's like this, here we go. Here's our trick. How come this one is outside of the form? Okay, then I'll just put it here. It's aligned here. Then I'll grab this one. It's too small, man. Let me just zoom in a little bit, then I'll be able to see what I'm focusing on, right? So I'll align it with this one, then left aligned, it's aligned as well. Then we can move it down here to align with the text down here. So as you can see, our sign up form is fine. Then from our sign up form, we just do another one, the last one. So this will be the last one for authentication. So what I'll do here, I'll just press the alternative like what we did before. So all of the information here, so this one I'll change it to OTP authentication. This OTP authentication and authentication. So it's OTP authentication. Then this one I'll put an authentication have been sent to, so an authentication code has been sent to, then you put the number for the client, so which is the number that I put on the bottom, +27 144 XXX 9903. Yeah, that's my WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp me on that number. You can get me there, no problem. I'm just kidding. If you want my number, let me know in the comment section below, then I'll give you my number, then we can chat on WhatsApp. We can just share some information, some design tips, anything. If you know anything, then we can share, no problem. That's my number. It's just a hint. So those X, I'll just fill up those X's for you. Just let me know in the comment section below. Okay, let's align this one to the center. Oh no, we don't need this one anymore. So we grab these ones, then we delete them. Wow, you guys, why are you so rude? These guys are gone. So here at the OTP now, I just want to cheat a little bit. I just want a small line like this. Okay, let's give it a height of 0. It's already 0, right? So it's a little bit longer. So I think it's fine this way. I just make it a repeat grid so that I won't struggle that much. 2 3 4, so they are now 4. Then I'll grab this one. Okay, let me increase their border to just 2. Yeah, 2 is fine. Then I'll grab this one, I'll change color, I'll put this color. So for this one, I'll just put a small simple number like when you go for authentication. So I'll go for 6. Yeah, that's my number. That's my favorite number, that one. Okay, 6. I'll just highlight 6 here. Then increase the font to something nice. Then not regular. I need to be semi-bold, not semi-bold italic, just semi-bold, right? Just semi-bold like this. It will straighten up. There's nothing wrong, right? I'll put it here. So let me just move that a little bit down here. Then this button. So once you finish putting up your OTP, then this button will show you next. So this one will be next. So it's just like that. So let me do just a small tricks, just like a bonus trick, like to do some prototype. If you know prototype, I think you know how it works. So if you don't know prototyping, I'll show you how prototyping works. Or one day, if you want to know more about prototyping as well, just let me know in the comment section below. Then I'll make a video for prototyping and show how it's done. But we just come here to prototype. Once we are here, you just show, if you press this skip button, then you should come and open this one, right? So in this one, if you press this one as well, to come and open this page, you see? Yeah, that's it. We are done. That's it. We're done. So here is our design. It's simple and clean. So let's go for a preview. So if you just press this button to preview, as you can see, so this is how it looks like. Let me just close this one for a moment. So this is how it looks like. Wow, what have I done now? So this is how it looks like. So this is our phone. So okay. I put my information and sign in. Like the functionality that I want, like I want to skip this signing in. So if you skip this one, just let's sign up. If you sign up, you put all of the information that you want, and you just press the sign up button and wait for your OTP that I can send to your phone. You can see here it is. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video, and I wish we're going to stay connected.